What's good, DIY guy here, come back with another video, and today, well, it's probably going to be a vlog. We're going to go down to downtown Atlanta, and I guess we're just going to chill there, and yeah, I guess that's just going to be today. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, comment down below what vlog you guys want to see, if I go like to bowling or something. I don't know what I'm going to do, but yeah. Let's go ahead and get right into this vlog.
Two hours later.
Alrighty guys, we just got here. I think we're gonna go to the world of Coca-Cola. I don't know how to show you guys. We're about to go and buy the tickets to go in, I think. So I think I'll just record when we get inside. Actually, I can't see what I'm recording because we're in the sun. So, oh wait, we're about to get in shade. Alright, yeah. I think I got my face in all of that. I'm not too sure. And yeah. Alright, hey guys. We just got into the world of Coca-Cola. I just got my ticket. And when you get in, they also give you free complimentary Coke. And I think the next move is that we're gonna go see a show in about less than 5 minutes. I don't know if I'm allowed to record in there, but if I can, I probably will. So we'll be back for that.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alrighty guys, we just finished a 6-minute video. If I find the video online, I'll probably place it right here. But if I don't, well, that's what it is. But they put us in this like room, and they have like lots of stuff in it. So, they have like a polar bear, and I'll show you guys in like next. And they got like the secret vault of where like the formula is for Coca-Cola. And they have a room upstairs of merchandise, which we'll probably check out. I'll put some pictures and like a montage in a sec. But yeah, I'll probably come back on later after the montage. So peace for now.
At the heart of Coca-Cola, there is a secret, protected for well over a century, known only to a few. And now, you are here. The secret is beer. Go ahead, drink it in. Secret formula for the most deliciously different taste the world has ever known. A secret formula for all that is, was, and ever will be. The heart of Coca-Cola. we'll keep the secret. Because keeping the secret ensures that the magic lives on.
And there you have it, everyone. Inside of this vault is the original handwritten copy of our secret Coca-Cola formula. Before it was placed here, it was held for 86 years at Trust Company Bank, now known as SunTrust Bank in Five Points, Atlanta. It was brought here on December 8, 2011, during our 125th anniversary celebration. This vault has three combination locks that go all the way up to 100, an alphanumeric pin pad, as well as a biometric hand scanner. If you step, stand, or lean over the red and white stripe line, an alarm will sound letting you know you are too close. Our secret formula is really inside.
Richard, you're going to have to take out. Wave on take.
Alrighty guys, we just made it to the taste it section where I gotta taste all the different types of Coke, so that's what I'll be doing right now. This is Inca Cola from Peru. I don't know what that was. I think it was like yellow Fanta, like lemon or something. I think the next one I'm gonna try is Lift from Chile. I'm guessing it's supposed to be like apple cider or something. Got some on it. Yeah, it tasted like apple or something. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for this whole thing. I'll tell you which one was my favorite and stuff later. Alrighty guys, I'm back and yeah, it's been a week. I kind of forgot that I made a vlog. So like yeah, if I get distracted, it's because I have Thunder on the earbuds right now. He's on Discord. So I said that, you know what, he's annoying right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pull up the pictures, because I said at the World of Coca-Cola, that's where I went. Yes, I did not forget. I said I was going to pick out which one was my favorite drink from each place. So, starting with Europe, I think I'm going to choose probably the lemon Fanta. I think that's lemon, I don't remember. I'm looking at, I have the pictures on my MacBook right now, and I'm recording on my phone. So the lemon Fanta was pretty good, and the worst one, out of all of them, I promise you it was Beverly. I don't know what it was. It tasted like carbonated water, and I hate that. That was the worst one, hands down. All right, Asia, Sprite. Sprite's my favorite. Like, if it wasn't Sprite, was that Melon Frosty? Yeah, Melon Frosty or Sprite. One of the two. What else? Africa. Alright, so for this one, I couldn't just pick one. I like the entire brand itself because as you guys can see for the first and third drink, you guys could see Bebo. Yeah, Bebo like overall as a company was pretty good. So yeah, that was in Africa. I'm not sure if I said. The one that we're going to do next is North America. Sprite was one of the best ones. What is that? I think that fifth one is root beer. I don't like that one. Yeah, I didn't like that one. The Sprite's my favorite. Latin America. I oof, I like the lift. I'm not a fan of the ginger ale. Not a fan. Lift infused tea was pretty good. I didn't like Delaware Punch either, if that says Delaware. Does that even say Delaware? Low-key, I don't know if that says Delaware. Alright, let me see if I have any others. Oh, yeah. The picture of the Coca-Cola. Like, all the Coca-Colas. I gotta go with the original. The original one was far my favorite. I'm just that kind of guy. Yeah, so after the world of Coca-Cola, the rest of the vlog ended up... Oh, yeah. I'm not sure what this clip is, but I'll probably insert it, like, right here. Alright, guys, well, I'm back. We left the world of Coca-Cola. It was pretty fun. But now we went and... I think we're in some, like, Atlanta Square. It's somewhat like Times Square, but in Atlanta. And we're just buying and chilling stuff, me and the fam. Yeah, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. If something interesting happens, I'll probably vlog it and tell you guys what happened, because my phone's almost dead. So yeah, I don't know if this is the end. So if it is, I'll just say the outro later. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it open like that. All right, yeah. So I guess that was just me saying that we left Coca-Cola. I was looking at the clip. I'm probably not gonna put it in because this is pretty much the outro. Let me look at some of the other stuff to see if I should put it in and stuff. Oh yeah, when we left Coca-Cola, the world of Coca-Cola, we went to some kind of Times Square-ish thing, but in Atlanta, so Atlanta Square or something. And when we were leaving, there was an accident that happened, so I'm just gonna put these pictures at the end, and then I'll roll the outro. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are new, leave a like if you haven't done so already. Trying to get 10 likes, I guess. I don't know. If you guys want more vlogs, comment down below, I guess. I don't know, because I told you guys get 15 likes. We'll try. I don't know what else to put. Like the background's like fading in and out. I don't know why. Go check out the gaming channel too, as a matter of fact. And I'm just gonna say, like, go check out A1 Game One's video about his prediction for Logan Paul versus KSI and Deji and Jake Paul. I also said that for the tags. I'm also making a video on that and the Fuzi thing, so you guys should subscribe for that. And I'm also gonna make another video coming up. I don't know when, but it's gonna be like 8-ball trick shots in real life. Though I did one similar, but for the gaming channel, but like in actual mini clip 8-ball. So I'm gonna do one in real life, because why not? And yeah, I guess that's it. Peace out and say God tier, guys. Peace.
still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one.